In this video lesson, I'm going to show you how I use options to hedge my positions. Let's go. All right, now the platform that I like to use is thinkorswim by TD Ameritrade, but it'll work on all platforms. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to the monitor tab. Now, this will show you want to go to activity and position. So this is going to show you all your current positions. Now, I'm in a bunch of option trades, but it doesn't matter. If you're in stock trades, it'll work the same way. So what I like to do, first of all, is I like to categorize my trades into the setup that I took, okay? Whether it's an undervalue setup, settling pattern, doesn't matter. Categorize your trades and move them into that. Then you want to make sure the delta column is there. So you get this little wheel and make sure you have the delta column. All right, so what you're going to do then is now you're going to go to the beta weight right here. You're going to click it. And what I like to do is I like to beta weight it to the SPY. This is the ETF that tracks the S&P 500. Hit enter. Okay, then what's going to happen here with your deltas is it's going to put your deltas in relation to the SPY. Okay, the SPY. So when the SPY moves every $1, it's going to tell you how your positions work. And again, it'll work the same for stocks or options. All right, what you want to do now is look at the delta column, okay? Delta represents the average increase based on the move now of SPY. So if SPY goes up, it's going to tell you how much your position goes up. If it goes down, it's going to tell you how much your position goes down. So I want you to add up all of your deltas. Now, I don't have a lot of deltas because I have a lot of spreads, but let's say you have a bunch of stocks, and let's say at the end your delta is 300. Here's how I like to hedge that. What I'm going to do is take 30% of my deltas. So in this particular case, that is 90. So I'm going to hedge 90 deltas. What I want to do is I want to go over here to the trade tab, and I want to go to SPY. Okay. Now, what I like to do is I like to give myself around 15 to 20 days. Okay. You can do less, you can do more, but I like to give myself around 15 to 20 days. So I'm just going to choose this right here. Now, remember, we had the 90. So the way I'm going to do it now is I'm going to go over here to the put side. Okay, right here, the put side, I'm going to look at the deltas and I'm going to look for the 30 delta. Okay, 30 delta. Now, if I'm hedging 90 and this is 30 delta, I divide those two and I have 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy 3 puts right here at the 401 strike. Click it, 1, 2, 3. And then when the market's open, you can do a market order limit. SPY is liquid, buy the puts. And after you buy the puts, that's going to give you 90 deltas. All right, we go back over here to the monitor section. Remember, we were hedging 90. We originally had 300. We hedged 90. Now we bought 3 puts, okay? So that way now, if the market goes down, our bullish positions will be losing money, but we have these 3 puts that are going to start to hedge our positions. All right, everybody, that's how I like to use options to hedge my positions. And again, it doesn't matter if you have stocks or you currently in options, just beta weight it via the SPY, and then I like to hedge 30%. All right, everybody. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, guys, or you found value in any way, do me a favor. Smash that like button, all right? So YouTube can spread this video out to more people. I really appreciate it. Hey, and don't forget to check right here. This is our playlist on how to master option trading in 2023. All right. We'll see you guys in the next video.